In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HTML code to GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll know exactly where to place your custom snippets so they load correctly on your site without breaking anything. First, sign in and head to your GoHighLevel dashboard. From the main menu on the left, look for the Sites section. This is where all of your web assets live, so it's the quickest path to your pages and settings. Inside Sites, choose Websites. You'll see a list of your websites. Select the one you want to work on, making sure it's the correct brand or domain if you manage multiple accounts. Click the website to open its pages and settings. Next, open the specific page you want to modify and click Edit. This launches the page builder. Don't worry, you're not changing the visual layout yet. We're heading to a dedicated place for code so you can keep things organized and safe. In the page builder, find tracking code. This is the built-in area where GoHighLevel expects your custom HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It keeps everything scoped to the page and prevents accidental edits to the page's core structure. You'll see two fields, header tracking and footer tracking. Paste code that needs to load early, like analytics, pixels, verification meta tags, or CSS, into header tracking. Early loading code is important for accurate tracking and correct styling. If your provider says place in the head, this is the right spot. Be sure your scripts include proper opening and closing tags, and avoid adding full HTML, head, or body tags, just the snippet itself. For code that can wait until the page content loads, like chat widgets, heat maps, or scripts that aren't critical to render, use footer tracking. This can improve performance and reduce layout shifts. Again, paste only the snippet as provided and keep things tidy to make future maintenance easier. When you're done, click Save. Saving locks in your changes. If your site uses publishing or versioning, make sure the page is updated so the changes go live. It's a good idea to open a preview or a new browser tab to confirm everything is working. If you don't see the expected result, clear your cache or use a private window. And double check whether your provider required header versus footer placement. A couple of quick tips. Avoid pasting the same tracking script in both header and footer to prevent duplicates. Keep a separate document with notes on what you've added and why, and follow your compliance policies if your snippets set cookies. That's it. You've successfully added HTML code to your GoHighLevel page.